Hi everyone, my name is Vinisha and I am back for the YouTube videos for the month of August 2016, and this is for our lovely Scorpios. I'm happy to be back. I was busy in so much of research regarding tarot, regarding astrology, and I have come up with some new facts or maybe known facts but are very new to the world as we are not aware about them. So after every reading, I will be giving one tip regarding the changes you can make in your home, the changes which you can make in your surroundings to get the desired result. Okay, so let's start the Scorpio reading. I have already shuffled the cards for you, and now I am pulling out 12 cards to check what is going to happen in August 2016 for the Scorpions. It's been a very great time for me to be doing research regarding many things. I went ahead and met people who wanted to really tell me or tell the world that what can be done to manifest things in your life without making much efforts as you've been doing. And now as I have pulled out the 12 cards, let's check this out, what is going to happen in the August for those Scorpions. And I'm sure Scorpions are having a bit of struggling time, as I can see that, because when I stopped making videos after that, I got so many calls from Scorpios asking that for the personal consultation. Guys, I would like to remind you, if you want any personal consultation, please approach my Facebook page. My contact details are available there, or else you can send me a message on the YouTube to get connected and do a personal reading, where in general reading I'm always there to help you. My Scorpions have been waiting for so long, which I have noticed, because I am also Scorpion. So I know waiting for so long has been going on for a while, and now it is still going on, but then you can make changes. As I have told you, the kind of discovery I was making in certain days, that you can do changes without having any astrological impact on your life. Like I was even thinking that astrology and tarot and things, everything is just what we tell is just going to happen, but then you can go ahead and change that the way you want it, but you need to do certain remedies or certain things, which I will tell you after every video. I will give you one remedy which can help you change that impact which you are getting from the surroundings. Okay, so for Scorpions, I would like to tell you that many of you are feeling cheated, many of you are feeling used from a long time, and especially maybe through a friend circle or maybe through a love affair, because right now your destiny also saying that go in a different direction. Your heart is saying something else, your mind is blocked or maybe struggling in the current situation. Because as I can see that, a lot of Tower card is coming every now and then for you people. That means the disruption of energies is going on. Every time in your friend circle, in your outer world, in your love affairs, in your nearest environment, which you're not liking as such. Yes, lot of fire energy is trying to come inside you, and Scorpions are calm till the time situation is good, but once it is out of control, the fire which should go outside actually hits them inside. That is the way they are. So I would suggest you drink a lot of water element. You can go ahead and feed fishes also, which increases your water element. You can keep aquarium at your places, which is a kind of remedy, because the Scorpions are water element, and whenever the water is less, you will always feel that kind of pressure in your life, because you are water, and if water is less, then your body starts suffering, you start to suffer. I would say that if you are feeling that you should be out from this current situation, you should go somewhere else, see a different world for you, maybe different kind of career, different kind of life which you're looking for, and you're not getting it, because I can see so many dissatisfactions within your life, as well as stagnation. I can see the Hermit card, I can see 8 of Cups as well, which is having everything but still not being satisfied, and you're searching for something else. You're searching for some satisfactions, I believe, which you're not getting as of now. But there is a saying that most of you are waiting for finances. Most of your wishes are dependent on finances, if I'm correct, because you're waiting for finances has been so long that you're not able to achieve anything what you exactly want. So for finances, I would say, listen to your heart. Don't work under pressure. Don't work for the sake of it, for the heck of it. Just go ahead and see what you want to do and put a bit of efforts in that, and you will gain or you will achieve something, because achievement is on the cards, but it will need efforts from you, because on the achievement track I see all the wants. If you can see them, the wants, that win-win situation is there, but you need to put in efforts. As well, I would say that first card which depicts you yourself is Ace of Pentacles. That means opportunity for money, making money, earn money will be there, is there maybe in front of you. But then don't think about others, don't think about will it happen or will it not happen. Just go about it, just do it. Sometimes you just need to choose that thing which is the negligible part of your life, or maybe the most ignored factor of your life, but then that can bring happiness, and that can bring the required result in your life. Wherein I see that in the work environment, people who are in job, you might feel offended, you might feel cheated, a lot of bitching is happening regarding you. Please ignore that. This is happening because you have got very less water element in you. So people are trying to create an environment of heat, a lot of hot war and hot words and kind of conversation behind your back. Avoid that. Increase your water element. That will itself decrease. Because once you increase your water element, people will be forced to love you, people will be forced to think good and creative about you. Rather than, as of now, I believe that you yourself are having a war inside you. So what is inside you comes outside as well, because I can see on your heart, on your inner feelings, that is the Swords card. So I believe that especially females, female Scorpio already being very emotional and sensitive, if you have a war inside you going on, you have to understand that that element is increasing inside. That is the air element. That is the air element. The swords are depicting air. That is increasing inside, because maybe you're wanting lot of fame, lot of name, lot of good luck from outside, lot of help from outside. People should know you, should help you. You want public to be with you, masses to be with you, but then you are inside some kind of waiting zone, or maybe you're forced to be in a situation which you don't want. So to just get out of it, I believe you have to do what you want. That is a break point. That is a saturation you have come across. And if it goes on, it might take a toll on your health. Because you people suffer very easily. You cannot take so much of mental pressure, but you tend to increase it every day. So please don't wait for anything. Don't be standing. Don't be just in a situation where you're standing and thinking about, let the world support me. That pity kind of a thing. Please get out of it. It's high time. Now what you have to do is put that heat which is inside you, put that war which is inside you outside. That means you have to go in the world and showcase what you have for you. As for example, even me, I stopped making videos for a while, and I was doing something which I was not that interested in. But then I was researching as well, because this is my forte. And later I believed that I should share that information with you, might help many of you. So I came back, and without any further ado, I understood that I have to go through what I like, and that is the only way life can move on. And I started coming back to YouTube and giving my personal consultations to people which help them and which even I like. So that is the way. Health can be taken care of. Please wear a lot of perfume, lot of fragrance, go to the places which are beautiful, because in your health sector you have an Empress card that shows that things will be smooth if you look and live like a prince and princess. So please go for parties, have some fun outside, because you need to break through that monotony of life, thinking about yourself, thinking about your career, thinking about your health. You have to think what is lacking behind. That is that energy, that is that feeling free, feeling happy. Happiness just outside the world as well. So please go and grab that. With that, I will say one thing to you as well. A lot of binding factors are happening with you. That means maybe one way you want to go out and do something, another time you're feeling no, maybe this is good, I should sit back and wait, was I wrong, was I right, all that situation, all that jazz is happening, and maybe most of them are not able to sleep, because I see a hermit card in your 12th position that says that you have a light, you have a awakening, you have a guideline, but that happens in the night, that happens in the solace, that happens in the time when you're quiet. But then your mind is always chatting and grinding you for money, for your career, or maybe some of the other tension which is going on for a while with you people. Please, you have to understand, meditate a bit, start yoga, do something to come out of that stagnation, because the stagnation is not caused by you, it is a destined way, the energy is flowing that way, but then you have a option to break through that, because I don't see water cards at all in your horoscope. That means a lot of water is absent, so you may be feeling a lot of thirst and not able to drink, or maybe drinking still not enough for you. Please go ahead and do swimming, and be near nature, plant trees in your house. So that was a tip I was about to give to the all Scorpios. For you, for the month of August as well as following September, I would suggest you to plant a lot of plants in your house, and maybe small plants outside the garden if you have, so that they change into trees someday, and pour water in them, nourish them, and you will get nourished. You have to just show nature how much love you have inside you. Nature will give it back to you. That is the way everything works. And please have a lot of confidence in you, because no water for Scorpio, they don't have any confidence in them as well. So regarding destined path as well, I see that it is saying leave away everything, go and just find your own space, find your own way. This is a phase which is going on, but to just remove that and move on to a different track, or maybe work for what you want, you need to go through a lot of water, and the water is within you, so it is getting soaked. So please try and drink a lot of water, as well as deal with people with patience. Don't hurry up in everything, because you will end up losing either the relationships or losing your own patience, which is in both ways very disturbing for Scorpios. They are not fire, they cannot deal with that. They need emotions, they need a lot of pampering every time, especially Scorpio women. And I would not say men, because men maybe in a different way, they are working out and they are grinding themselves out in the market. But yes, today's women is also working, but then you have to concentrate on emotions and compassion as well. So give compassion, get compassion, don't expect too much, just start giving it and believing that you will also get that back. So that was about Scorpions. And feeling cheated, betrayed or backbitching is happening is just because you have something lacking in you, not that the public masses will do what you will do to yourself. Always remember. So increase your water element and everything will be taken care of. And if you feel there is a lot of fire, there is a lot of inner, there is no peace inside you, please start yoga. Balance your chakras and everything will be in balance. And is there anything else you would like to know? Please contact me, and I will be happy to suggest you or maybe help you in your personal situations. I have started my personal consultations as well, so you can contact me and on my Facebook page, or else you can message me on the YouTube and we will get connected to you. I'm very, very happy to help you always. And one more message for Scorpions, that in August you might feel like fighting with your colleagues or your better half in something. Even if you go through a fight, that is okay. Sometimes you have to say it loud. Maybe your silence is not heard. So say it loud and believe that it will be heard. And don't take decisions, but give chances. Okay? So have a good day and have a good August. And we'll see you soon in September. Bye-bye.